A young employee once walked into his office on a Monday morning and saw something shocking. His company's richest investor sitting calmly in the corner, not working, not rushing, just reading a book, while everyone else was stressed about deadlines. The employee wondered, how can the person with the most money seem like the one doing the least work? That moment reveals a powerful truth about how wealth actually works. Most people are taught to exchange time for money. This idea is common across the world. You work hours, you receive salary, and your income stops when your work stops. Rich people, however, slowly shift their focus from earning money through labor to building systems that generate income without their constant presence. This is not about laziness, it is about understanding how money can work independently. The key mindset difference is that wealthy individuals often focus on owning assets instead of only earning income. Assets can include businesses, investments, intellectual property, or other resources that continue producing value over time. While a regular paycheck depends on daily effort, assets can create income repeatedly once they are built and managed properly. This concept is supported by financial education principles taught worldwide. Ownership creates leverage. Another important factor is risk management and long-term thinking. Many financially successful people spend years learning how markets, businesses, and human behavior work. They delay immediate rewards to build something that grows slowly but steadily. Research in behavioral economics shows that people who practice delayed gratification often achieve better long-term financial outcomes because they prioritize future value over short-term comfort.
Rich people also understand the power of compounding. Compounding means that returns generate additional returns over time. Instead of relying only on active work, they allow investments or businesses to grow gradually. This process may look slow in the beginning, but over years it can create significant financial independence. The focus shifts from how hard am I working today to what systems am I building that will still work tomorrow. Another real difference is how they view time. Time is treated as the most limited resource. Rather than doing everything themselves, they delegate, automate, or invest in people and systems that multiply results. This allows them to think strategically instead of constantly reacting to daily problems. In reality, rich people do work, but their work is often invisible. They work on decisions, strategy, and ownership rather than only tasks. The lesson is not that everyone should stop working, but that financial growth often comes from learning how money flows, how assets are built, and how long-term thinking creates stability. The real story behind that calm investor in the office is simple. He wasn't working less, he had already built systems that worked for him. Understanding this mindset helps people of any age or country realize that financial success is not only about earning more, it is about learning how to make money productive even when you are not actively working.